Hi, my name is Claire. So I've been with the same agency for almost 5 years now. Um, it's a mental health agency that works with children and families. So I've held a few different positions there over the last 4 or 5 years. I started out as a therapeutic mentor, working individually and one-on-one with kids out in the community. And then I did some case management for a while. And now I'm currently in-home therapy. So I work with a master's level clinician, so it's the two of us, and in-home therapy is a pretty intense level of care. It's right below hospitalization. So we have a child with the mental health diagnoses that we are supporting, but we really work with the whole family to support the child. And I've really enjoyed that so far. I think out of the three positions I held, it has been the most enjoyable for me. So yeah, I really just enjoy working with kids, but I also just really enjoy getting to work with the whole family, and having a partner on the case as well, like having a little bit of teamwork. Because I did find like when I was a therapeutic mentor, being alone in the community with a kid, especially a kid who had mental health needs or behavioral issues, just was very difficult. And then the case management role I held, it's I think kind of specific to Massachusetts, because that's where I'm living right now, and it was great in theory, but it was just really difficult. It was very case management, but then also like they expected you to like kind of be a therapist, so it was just a lot of things that were expected on me individually. And so I think, the way it was executed isn't the best, but it's a great role in theory. And I did enjoy aspects of it, definitely, because again, I would work with a whole team and help the family navigate all kinds of resources and supports. So I did enjoy it, but I think right now in home therapy has been probably my favorite and is kind of giving me some insight into what I want to do once I get my master's. So yeah, so far I've had a pretty good experience with my classes here at Weiner. I like the way the program is designed and how I can just take one class at a time, like for my learning style and also for working full time. It just works really well for me. And as for this class, I did take a policy class in undergrad. And I remember going into it kind of being like, not very excited. But I actually ended up loving it. And I think also the way the professor presented the material and just the way she taught the class was great. So I'm looking forward to this one and seeing how it goes. I mean, I think social and economic justice is very important in social work, and kind of what we are focused around. Even if you're not someone who works with policy, like it really does impact what we do. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. Thank you.